Okay guys, I want to show you how to reset the service light for Kia Niro. Okay, let's go to show you, and let me just show you message first. When turn ignition on, you can see and this one for tire pressure. Okay, let's go to show you how to do that. The first needs to press OK. Okay, go back. Okay, and this one is a menu, and when you press it, you can change the screen option, and just use this button actually. Sorry, this button. Bring it down. When you bring it down, and this one change, and you go for service. Okay, press OK, and the message here is for service. Okay, and keep OK, the bottom OK, for few seconds, and then leave it again. Okay, and now press. So now it's change. The next service is 65 days later need to do that. It's for 10,000 miles for next service. Okay, and we're going back, and we turn ignition off again. Okay, and on the here not coming any message for the service actually, and this one is just for the tire pressure. We top up the air pressure inside the tire and need to drive for 1-2 minutes. After that it should automatically off. And thank you for watching.